way, I didn't show you guys what my nails look like, but this is what they look like. Just very neutral brown. Yeah, so these will probably last me for about 2 weeks. So for what, $7-8, that's amazing. What we're gonna do is pretty much a quick get ready with me. Honestly, I have nowhere to go, but I just feel like doing my hair and maybe putting on a little bit of makeup and stuff. Try not to burn myself. Ooh, and try not to break my glass. So I want to say hi to all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. If y'all have seen like my content, you see that I love to go to TJ Maxx. I love to show you like what's there, like what you can find. Those videos interest me when I watch them on YouTube. So I just figured like, let me show y'all. And because I like that type of content of seeing what's in stores, and then I'll go to that store and see if I can find it. So it's almost like a treasure hunt for me. I also like to film like daily vlogs and all that stuff. I'm gonna go in with this this is Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I actually really like this. It's so hot in Texas, and I feel like this really works with the humidity. And honestly, I feel like nothing else has like worked. So is my earring coming off? Let me move this mug out the way. So we are just going to do our hair. Honestly, having short hair, it's been pretty easy doing my hair. It doesn't take that much time. I just feel like with my long hair, I was just getting too lazy to do it. Okay, I curled my hair on the inside. Honestly, I feel like my hair is growing pretty fast. I think it's only been a month since I've cut it. The only thing is sometimes I feel like my hair looks good without my glasses. I feel like my glasses, since they're pretty big, they make my hair, like to me, look kind of bulky. Let's see. Like see, it comes out. Obviously without my glasses, they my hair just kind of goes flatter to my head. This side is driving me nuts. I don't know. I think I like this side better. Anyways, I think the hair is done. I didn't do like the most perfect job at it, so whatever. Drink some coffee. Speaking of coffee, my Nespresso machine, they were able to fix it. I got an email saying that they were able to fix it and it's on the way back to me. They're shipping it back, so I'm excited to have my Nespresso coffee. Going in with the Merit, and this is the CN shade, and this is their Bronze Bomb. And I really like this a lot. Yo, I'm so sad. I actually need to buy a new blush. My blush in Puerto Rico, it actually cracked, which I don't know why. I just didn't take out the powder and keep the cream portion of it. Because if you know Patrick Ta, his blush, they come with a cream and a powder. And I just threw the whole thing out. I was so upset. I don't know. I should have just kept it, but I didn't. So if you guys have any recommendations of what blush I should get or I should try, if something that you've been wanting to try, let me know in the comments down below. Going with my NARS concealer in light 2.2. Yeah, it has a name on it, but I can never pronounce the name whatsoever. I'm going in with my nasty, I need to clean the sponge, but it's so soft. I'm gonna go in with my Supreme Nudes palette from Artist Couture. Literally my favorite neutrals eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna go in with Eccentric. Yeah, let's go in with Eccentric. It's this shade right here. And I am just gonna put that all over the lid. Literally tapping this thing on. So pretty. And I'm also using the Makeup and Ariel, the Morphe and Ariel brush collab. That's literally the only eyeshadow I'm gonna put on. And then y'all, I gotta put y'all on this mascara. It's the Rare Beauty mascara. This wand is so good. I love this type of wand. And I am just gonna do my lashes. Oh, you can see the difference from before and after. This side used to be so good where I can like maneuver my lashes a certain way, because I do like to push them, like the outer corner, to like push it out more. But this mascara is so good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I had a brush. Okay, here's. And we're just gonna. Sometimes I like to tap it on. Okay. See, now I feel more put together. And then let's do a lip. I gotta show you guys this lip because I think you're gonna really like it. So my lip is a Makeup by Mario, and this shade is the color Tan. So really pretty brown. And I like to wear this when I want something like more subtle. And then I will go in with my Charlotte Tilbury, and this shade is the Kim KW shade. Y'all, I need to buy a new one. I'm almost, like, we're almost out. And I like to tap this. And there is the lip, and have this. This is the Patrick Ta. This is the shade Pouty. This gloss is so freaking pretty. I just love it, and putting it on top of a nude and stuff, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna just show y'all. You can kind of see. I'm almost out. Like, ugh, I love it so much, and it gives like a minty feel. So do y'all see how it like elevated the lip? Oh, I love it so much. And this is pretty much what I like to do for my makeup. Really fast, not too many products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I just love using like minimal products just to get the job done, especially for my normal day-to-day. So hopefully if you guys try these products out, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you're already using these items as already, let me know how you like them, because I absolutely love them. They work great with my skin, and I love the tones and stuff. Obviously you can pair this nude lip with a darker lip liner. I do that all the time as well, and just like blend it in and stuff. But yeah, I really like how this came out. If you guys like it too, be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. So thank you for the people who have already subscribed. Y'all are not going unnoticed. Thank you so much. Hearts to you. If there's any other videos or any other content you would like to see from me, please let me know as well. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.